Having trouble with hide view counts on the Instagram app. If you can't hide view counts, the option isn't available or your selected setting isn't being applied. These troubleshooting steps may help. In this video I will show you how to fix hide view counts on Instagram app. The first thing you have to do is to go to Instagram. Then here in this page, we click on the sign up profile. Then you will go to above to this sign. Here in this list, you'll find this page. You will go to here, account type and tools, and here you will find others. You click on other, and then you will find here, as you see, view count on profile, and we will tap here to enable it and to fix problems. So please don't forget to press